Our 2021 Get It Growing calendar is now out. This makes a great gift for family members that love to garden. Now this comes with gorgeous pictures that are submitted by the people that follow the LSU AgCenter. It comes with featured articles. This year is the live oak. Every month comes with gardening tips from the vegetable garden out to the turf and in your gardening beds. And then of course, we have a feature article, a how-to article on how to pollinate your plants. When the honeybees are not coming around and you need your vegetables to be pollinated, we've got that article here. Also, we have a list of your 2021 Louisiana Super Plant releases. This calendar comes with so much great information on anything that you need to know about for gardening. Our 2021 Get It Growing calendar makes a great gift and it's $11.95. You can go to the LSU AgCenter's website to order one.